guys, MOSES Bliss is another superstar that we have in Nigeria today. So the way this guy take blow, you understand, surprised a lot of people. Though he has been working hard for his successful videos, you understand. Though he's a musician as well. So here he's ministering to the world. Let me just put it that way, to the world. Looking around, you see the wife. Immediately this guy came in, the wife stood up to go and grab the husband, you understand. So a lot of people are here to watch him perform, you understand. So he's a very good and a talented artist. Though I brought down the video for you to watch, which I wouldn't want you to miss out this video, you understand.